The Saba min Avalduk says, the goal of Mussar is to perfect knowledge and self-control. And a person's illusions about who he thinks he is complicate and ruin his life. He thinks he is better than what he really is. She thinks she's better than what she really is. I deserve this, I deserve that, no one should talk to me this way, no one should treat me that way. Their illusions of where they really stand are what complicate and ruin their life. And therefore, those horrible traits stop the person from getting to where they want to go, which is actual freedom. Freedom from the bad traits, freedom from the addictions to bad traits. And the two ways to refine your midot and get rid of those bad traits, one is grit and determination, which is in essence doing good because it's good to do good. Or two, cheshbon nefesh, self-examination, where you identify the bad and remove it.